In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video or PDF to your LinkedIn profile. This can be a great way to enhance your digital presence and make your profile more engaging and informative. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring each detail is covered so you feel confident managing your LinkedIn content effectively. First, you need to open up your web browser and head over to LinkedIn's website. To do this, simply type linkedin.com into the address bar. Once you're on LinkedIn's homepage, logging in is your next step. If you usually sign in using Google or Microsoft, those options are available. Alternatively, enter your email address and password manually. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone. Although it's an extra step, it significantly enhances the security of your information. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn feed page. Here, keep an eye out for the Start a Post button, which is usually located prominently at the top of your feed. Clicking this will open a dialog box, where you can begin crafting a new post. If you intend to share a video, look for the video icon at the bottom of this pop-up screen. Clicking on the video icon will prompt you to select a video file from your computer. Choose the video you want to upload and then click Next to proceed. Now, if you're planning to upload a document, specifically a PDF, you'll need to click on the plus icon also found at the bottom of the pop-up screen. This action will allow you to add a document. After clicking it, you can either drag and drop your PDF file directly into the upload area or manually select your file from your Documents folder. With your video or document uploaded, it's a good idea to give it a once-over. Check the preview to ensure it captures the message or details you want to convey accurately. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, click Done to confirm your upload. Now, you're ready for the final step, sharing your post with the LinkedIn community. Review everything once more, and when you're ready, hit the Post a button. This will publish your content to your profile, making it viewable to your network and potentially beyond, depending on your privacy settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add dynamic and engaging content like videos and PDFs to your LinkedIn profile. This not only enhances your professional brand but also showcases your achievements and ongoing projects effectively. Whether you're looking to stand out to recruiters or simply share your work with your network, incorporating multimedia into your profile can add significant value.